across to the management at VST Tiller Tractors. Antony, the CEO there, is with us. So the company has rolled out 5 lakh power trillers from Molar plant, and you also shared the growth outlook for tiller industries in India. What is the perspective going ahead? What is the next production milestone that you would set for yourself?
Yeah, the power tiller industry is definitely growing in India with labor shortage happening across the country, and 80% of our farmers being small and marginal, that is less than 5 acres of land holding. So it is set to grow. Currently, the industry is at about 60,000 in size, and we expect in the next 2 years it should be at about 100,000. And small farm mechanization is looking towards good growth in the coming years.
When we look at the tiller business, or how things move ahead, can you just tell us tractor sales, the sort of news flow we are getting on rains? How are you preparing for that?
Yes, there is a report on rains in terms of the El Nino effect and how it would affect the tractor industry. But it remains to be seen. We are looking at some impact of that if the effect happens sometime in Q3, Q4, because currently the reservoirs are full. All the enablers for demand is good in terms of minimum support price, etc. So I don't see any short-term impact, but towards Q3, Q4 of the next financial year, if the monsoon is bad, we could see some impact on agriculture production because the moisture content in soil will be low. And definitely that would impact cash flow in rural India, and hence business in rural India. So that is likely to play out. But however, looking at the small and marginal farmer, while they will definitely get hit, but there is a bigger issue in terms of sustenance and maintaining their daily livelihood, and with no labor available. They're looking for innovation and affordable products, and that is what VST is standing for. And we expect that to continue the growth path.
Right, Mr. Antony, this is Ankita joining in. So what is the growth plan regarding the precision components, as this offers a huge growth opportunity for you?
Yeah, the precision and component business, which is based out of Mysore for us, is also looking up. We have looked at multiple companies, especially in the electric space of tractors worldwide, and we have begun supplies to some of them, and this should give us growth in the future as well.
So when we just look at how interest rates are moving up, how rains are moving up, do you think that all of this base effect is also pretty high for the tractor business? How are you looking at next year? You think very high growth is looking difficult?
I think the tractor industry would definitely be affected with most of the business depending on retail finance, and interest rates going up doesn't augur well for the industry. We are not looking at high growth rate. The base effect is definitely there, as you rightly said. And so we are looking at lower single digits in terms of the tractor growth. However, as I said earlier, the small farm mechanization will continue to see growth in terms of 15 to 20% year after year.
All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us. Let's welcome in now